Hello, WOOTZ work. This is Singh from Instrumentation and Control Engineering from COEP Technological University, and today I'm going to talk about the recent project that I've done during my internship at Mahalayan Thermal Systems. Let's get into it. So, my project was about building a climate control module for EV HVAC. So, I will explain the term HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and AC. So, basically, this is the module inside any car, whether it's EV or a petrol car, which is used to maintain the temperature, the conditions, humidity conditions inside the car, and this can be achieved using a climate control module, which is a small microcontroller which controls all the elements, key elements in the HVAC systems, the actuators, the pumps, and everything. So now I will explain the CAN protocol, which is very important to explain my problem statement. So yeah, many people you guys must have heard about CAN protocol. It's the most popular protocol used in the industry, the automobile industry, to be specific. So CAN protocol stands for Control Area Network. So this protocol is used to control all the ECUs in the car. So what's an ECU? ECU is basically electronic control unit. It's there are different modules in the car like uh, the brakes, the wheels, the safety systems, airbags, the HVAC system, like I just told, and different anti-lock, anti-theft systems. So these all systems need to be integrated into one, and this can be a little messy. So CAN protocol simplifies it. It just requires two wires, CAN high, CAN low, and it can connect each and every ECU with each other so they can communicate easily. And th this protocol has a lot in going, but this is just a basic that I've explained you. So our project was all about taking this scan protocol and converting the scan messages into readable messages that can be viewed in phone as well. From phone, we can transmit these messages and control the HVAC systems using a mobile app. So this was basically what we were assigned to do, and our problem statement was, and it was to eliminate the expensive tools that they needed in the company, like the Speakan from Peak Systems. These tools are very expensive and they usually come with their own peripherals and understandings and also their own requirements as well. So they need an additional software. So basically, we need to eliminate that. So I will go to the solutions that we came up with. So yeah, first for the selection of a microcontroller. So it was one of the biggest decisions to go with which microcontroller. There are different microcontrollers in the market. Arduino is the famous choice. Then there's Raspberry Pi, there's ESP32. There are other microcontrollers as well. So what we went was Arduino Uno, as we were making just a prototype of the project at the initial stage. So it was the best choice for us as it has all the features that we needed. Like the libraries are very useful. It has almost all the famous popular libraries already installed in it, and we we're using an ESP32 as a Bluetooth module to interface with our phone, and we interface this both Arduino and ESP together as well because Arduino lacks Bluetooth connectivity, but ESP was lacking some of the modules and the connections that we needed. So basically, we need to combine them instead of one. And for CAN protocol, we're using an MCP2515 module. So I'll explain what's an MCP2515. So MCP2515 basically converts the CAN high, CAN low signals into a readable form for this Arduino Uno, and that can be further transmitted or received depending on the case from our mobile device application. I will show you the prototype app that we made. So basically, this is the prototype app. I hope you can see it. You can adjust the driver code driver temperatures from here. You can adjust the blower settings here, the AC on off button, the air recirculation button, and a few other buttons that we need to add on this. So yeah, this was one of the prototype app. Obviously, I cannot show you the real one. That was about the interfacing part. The biggest challenges that I faced was building an app. So basically, we were in a group of three, and I was assigned specifically for the software part where I had to build the entire app and code the Arduino, and yeah, that was a challenging part because I haven't done any coding related to building an app, and it was an interesting experience of using several different types of environments where I built the app, and uh, yeah, playing around with them and different settings, different modules that I used. So I used a simple software called MIT App Inventor at first, and then I went from there to Android Studios as well. But yeah, I tried to mostly keep things simple. So yeah, it was about my project. I have heard a lot about WOOTZ work, and it was from the founders, Himanshu and Karan, about engineering exports and how they are looking to capitalize on the 30-40% engineering market that India has compared to the world, and how we can really bring in a change by by manufacturing our own components and solving problems for the world. So yeah, thank you for giving me time. Hoping for the best results. Yeah, bye.